Okay, welcome back again. Now, again, continuing with maths, and we're looking at fractions now, okay? So that's what we need to be looking at now. Now, you cannot get away from this, okay? It has to be done. You need to know it. You need to be aware of it, okay? Okay. Now, again, here, I don't need to do a lot of talking because a lot of it is self-explanatory. But I will not be rushing through it. Okay, you need to be sure that you have the information, you can read it, and you have the time to do so. It is not a race. Now remember, the top of the part of the fraction is your numerator. The bottom part is your denominator. Now, if you were going to convert that half into a fraction, you simply divide 1 by 2, which would equal to 0.5. So you will divide the numerator by the denominator, giving you a decimal. Okay? But admittedly, I'm jumping ahead here a little bit. But follow the instructions, read the information, look at what they're trying to say. It's like having an apple here, and the apple is the two parts which I've cut in half, and I've taken one half of that. Okay, that's what it's trying to say to you. Okay. And cancelling down. Now here, all you're doing in regards to cancelling down is what number will divide into 24 and 48. Again, you find 12 will do it. And you will see here that they're giving you 24 over 48 equals 12 over 24. Divide 12 by 2, what do you get? Divide 24 by 2, what do you get? Or again, you can divide 24 by 2 and 48 by 2. And that's the process they have applied. They have divided the top and bottom part by the number 2. Okay? To arrive at the final solution of a half. Write out the process. Look at what they've done. See what has happened here. Okay? Make it your own. And here they're simply showing you cancelling down a fraction, okay? And here you need now to try these for yourselves. Okay. And here we've given you the answers, okay? But look, try doing them yourself before you look at the answers, okay? And here you're looking at improper fractions, which means the top part is heavier than the bottom. The numerator is heavier or larger than the denominator. Okay? See how they've done here and look at what the principle they have applied. Sorry. And again, look at what they've done. See which number they've used to bring it down to its lowest form, okay, or to its lowest common multiple. Okay? And again here, we're showing you how to add fractions, bring that into play as well for yourself. Write it out. Sorry. Write these out, okay? Do not assume you can learn them from the screen. They're not your work. You will only understand it once you have written it out and understand the errors and make your mistakes yourself so you can see where you've gone wrong. Okay? Bring that process into play for you. And again, similar thing here. Plan the work, write it out for yourself, make it your own. It will not just happen. Look at what they've done here. Okay. Again, ignore. Sorry about the numbering. What has come up to well on my screen. Okay, but you can number them for yourselves. Okay. And it's going to be saying here, try the following, okay, for yourselves, okay. And here are your answers again. Make sure you have written it out, understand the concepts as to how they have arrived at these values. Know what you're doing, okay. Sorry about that, that went a bit crazy then for a moment there then. Okay. Now it's asking you to try these for yourselves, okay? Make sure you arrive at the same answers that we have been getting, that we have here, okay? Now again here again try these for yourselves, make sure you can understand it, okay? Here are your answers, okay? Try to arrive at the answers before you look at the answers yourselves, and this only comes with practice. Practice, and understand to show that you practice makes perfect, okay? Nothing less. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye bye for now.